Yes, Asante Kotoko Diaries. I am one sports. It is some more. Shadow so na yem fan some padding no emma ewo mo yen a tier for more and I yes some more. Mumubi ebisa question with regards to Kotoko physical trainer. A home komo Kotoko physical trainer home komo. Yadi a chi kakra, yadi a chi. Edema unfortunately, me read fibra no beside anything, but it's good. I mean, answer no here essence. You be both dinner. I think some many dinner. It's respectful. Some many dinner. Na ya ye ho adwuma said ye esi etie ewo mo. Asante kotoko ho nkomo a ena na yenu an ebita. But ansa na ye be ho adwuma. Ade ama yenate for no team no wo mo anye training on Monday no and am say na e ya ho me JB mu and am say yitimi ene Boboko Dreams FC ebowie no na e wo say am je kakra etodwa ewo ma no ye ntwemu kakra etodwa nsam na eguso ede eba be hyase ede ama no nemom yetie ene se ene wo mo so aprepra inju hu sensem eko ede ma wo mo no yemfa update kakra infremu emfama wa krachia your friend is ene Shaibu ene we lateral player na so fullback a upra no empanyfo etwema oguso je na ya rehwe with regards ni nine no ni ade a ahoma hodo bi ene na ewura nan mu omukọ ekopem pam na se omukọ ne surgery no omo atwetwe bia ne se na bibia de din kama crash reference Shaibu no yentimi nka so obani manimu ya but or recover nicely or to me responding to treatment and yema to dra kama ewo mo eno enchimu a yede ema yenate for with regards to player your friend is Shaibu eno no yekwaya anima Emmanuel Kote so yemfan to anim sem ono so prior said the onim no amo hye training ase kama where Asante Kotoko ye hwe ni mu say Emmanuel Kote crash your friend say in team manu any a host of two players outdoor ne a wo prayer wo chemu any ade no empanyfo betimi register omo adding up to crash your friend Johnson upon Owusu madinka be kan ho asema cho say empanyfo ni agye no pa say ene crash no de ekoye nyina turbulence situation ni nyina no wa mana ba mu amuo na megyiri say adesuan so e de ma coach ahodo a e wo Ghana nye easy so e na kwa pick issue with a player one kasa wa recommend say ye nkofa no any ade na esa koma ye tiefo no so say echitafo no ya yenya abotre kakra with regards to players ni bi obi ono ma etekini time ansa na watimi asattle in hwa brantia your friends say inu say drew baby near the nekwa akoto say ye pam no anisa beginning of the season inu sa Joseph Amuei ono so yebu onidin na upon wusu so Johnson also yebo ni din incidentally kwada mi anu nyina ebo opon no so yesi de wo ye no training no am kikan ye papa enya ke 20 ka ho bi nam saye so ama mpanyfo ye willing self wo mo betumi a register na kama na eniama atodwa menua a friends Elvis Cheba for awuchi na so te story ami ye ya obetumi a hye ne sapo mu nsuo sa na ye ka no obetumi a revive no hu ye kakra na awuchi ota peka afra kaso na etumrika kakra na twe home no esonte na bobo ni yie awuche nem se players are see am standby e be register mo no udi won bi but as inki bi yes udi no enchen ni nyina no with regards to technical dugout wonom recommendation ti almost am monitor in about a week time ya anti every straight bar for we dey concern na mididi am yere ho bobo ni yie na etenetene wonam ti woni mbo ne kama na empanyfo ntumi emfa odi enka registration no na bibia nkoso ekokoba sa players ye register wo no ekọ enan num wo mo krampo enei wo mo ewo back door twan eno no na ye sanso akofa best 3 players abroso an 9 na aba beka ho na bibia tumi awie nkurimdie so main position no attacking obati nkofo si mumuni ebisi Mustafa ebisi Kulibali don't worry strikers din nkofo link to Aiza ano nyasem kuma nanso nyabotre na Apinkra te ba ko no osro se na Kulibali na mumuni ba edin nanso ni nyina mu no de tie ene se Kotoko mpanyimfo edidi nkomo a eno ekọ animu central midfield role ene umbefa ehwebi ede ato no ma local scene no ma yi players a wo monitor wo na attacking no na ebetumi aye foreigner ene ebia one local player ebetumi aka ho eno nkomo mpanyimfo edi akire ya ye ne yenso yete hom edi amana tefonti eba transfer window no ma relax ma bibia mo shake se Kotoko tiada players prepare ho komo yedi ene transfer ho nsam so no won be beef up the squad na augment kama na yekoye ni man no entwemu a eba yenua let's to where Yesu Bukasen a journalist ogusu ayen central adwuma no na ono na over the weekend yi okọ Kumasi Babara Sports Stadium eko he game a Dreams FC boy ye ni bi na ewom se ahokeka ankoso ye nani anso modema ye boy no but on your opportunity and na Apinkra di nkomo na nkomo no bi no chronicle dia ba beto abonten dia o kan ene se wo hwe na Apinkra animu a we dia mesreka na eyo obi a mami reading English na o kan ye no na yen kotu no kama na bibia entimi because was na look worried with regards to say why bibia eso ye Emma Sante Kotoko Chita for bus stadium and so as a fire into hono ehana na ye papa and so was say I saw passion, I saw devotion, I saw yearn for success, I saw young okay was say I saw a man who loves what he does for the club and wish same well and no and sama or the etuja na was say oshomu a odi na Apinkra di nkomo kakra and nkomo copy mu say Esa Dr. KK Sapon, ne handing over note a ujana chino, akoton sheshe, na onfama na namo ensan shim, na adebia, ebebwe ye pa, no, omso sobimua, ebekon nim. Wasi, we have, said anaka, wasi, we have applied almost every suggestion, offered to try to bring the fans to the stadium, but to no avail. We samo kotu na Apinkra, said nana ekaye, na also suggested, said, please let Akoto find the handing over notes from our administration that was headed over to the king by Dr. KK Sapon. There is a lot to see from how we did things. It may help. And also talk to Dr. KK Sapon. I suggested, also way, and also just say him, man and Apinkra, and also it told you, now say yes, that makes sense. Also say, and okay, Nana Apinkra so equation. And also say, I have spoken to Dr. Sapon a few times. He was so helpful, but I will engage him again. Or say, Obesane Dr. Sapon, as I share, na who said the name, ebe to me, Akoso, Ewo, Amakumasia, Sante Kotoko, Ewen couldn't do Sunti, way, and command list toward Yesu Bukasen, and then an Apinkra, we see what a dear and a Dawson, but a ne kakra, Yansun Kobu, what the 2 year name, Yade Emma in a chill for live on GH Live Studios. Na yebisa or say oluku worried say na chita front time stadium ya de bia aircore etia team ye papa en sheda nyensa mo de en fama team no na no mu nti ade bia so ye en say what the team no yese Kotoko oba try say local teams wo yen kan say Kumasi municipal honom ne ade no en kwa say bia Kotoko be friendly matches nkwa wada kwa ja ache e bia midweek nom ne ade no Nemum or the team no bang local scene no, but the munche wunu kuche reporter nam sasa plan no koso no na nanaba ejina hobi san komo no nanaba ebema answer eno achi so Asante Kotoko physical trainer ho sensem eno so akwa ba na anu adaya na yedi hu nkomo obi bisaye live e will show you say Enti Kotoko e wo currently physical trainer yenu ba ku bisaye me yanya okay, I say your friend Jomat 8388. I say, can you please follow up on Kotoko physical training situation and why the players' first half is very poor? And also Yenya Jomat Ebisa and Tiabasanum, your factory also etu anamo koyanim Ebisa na your koya chika kra physical trainer on some dear of Ahmed Baba physical trainer Makotoko Tete Barreto time crown so by na or the Pedro Manuel Bibaya na ne kuku jina so kama or yet physical training no man koso Isaac Aye coach Sakwaba Aye bi pen of a bright wodu omunyina aba be physical trainer juma macho juma no e dia Makotoko anya ketua e na Leonard Akoto me kan say na ne amposa time no yes omo friend Mr Fitness ono so eye juma na current situation no Coach Pau Yankanesa ono na ne I think ogum time cry ede babesi of Azito time no ni team no your fitness center Kumasi na otani team no bi but come here say best bosomen tam kakra ni Pau no onka team ne hu biem enti ye bo anamo bisa mpanyimfo say na tie for hwe bi bisa Kotoko muma yehu currently your physical trainer na answer no any say there be ebi ni wo sisi but as soon as possible it's up as soon as possible Kotoko mepacho womo ba be appoint physical trainer a professional okuta na certificate kama a obeboa enti we dey ye kan ye dey culture management say a chance to ebedro and no a very important part of the season players ne physique ne beboa enti ye ni kra de obi be say physical trainer de mumien fa bi na bibia nkoso kama enti eno nso bosha ye mpanyufo share so mo ba be fa bi animu ya but ye kan sa tato am mo say we de adabraka omo man nyententem na team a obo professional league only physical trainer there come say ha adwen ba sa no na ye bisa Emmanuel Menya na naba Kwame Gracious on the team na chi na naba otemen kama men cha bibia boko there
champion bibia boko
most definitely that say was joining a BM Kotoko una on your training day in and day out like oka hu bia okwa hu physical trainer power exit and also free honor send city obi aba na enim na send community
champion bia mayo the tiene say after say ye hu ye nua power crop ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko mo training grounds no sometimes if say team no ewram training grounds na say omo trainer normally no aya hu coach and din Eddie Hamza Oben say or the players no and so for physicals nim kakra but send ye aya yetai ehu say ebia power ewram crop ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko omo training grounds na or the players no ewram physicals no ye hu ne sa ho biem on say Kotoko team no nhyehyeye ema time omo kire scheduler na edru time bia was say players no ekoye gym gym was say edru emre bia players no etimi ekowuram ebia Ken West yes na sometimes some kuko communicate ade enso but after say ye hu ye nua power na team no started season no na wodi omo physicals no ye hu no training grounds no ye ntai ehu sa na ema no enso crop ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko omo trainer omo eyemu ebi have before say team no ebe ye training no and ebi be hu Hamza Oben say wodi boys no communicate kakra na ebi anema want to go kwa omo ye after say omo ye training so awie no na ene ebi a omo akwa kugina ebi a pitch nchen omo ko wura mu ekoye training was so flying alignment no ye hu say na wodi omo akwa kugina wall nchen na ene omo train omo na wie ni mu a no masa so atene na masa so use the other one no asan so aye na so mo kwada ko ja achen so a so mo wie training na ene omo makọ baby a omo agye ho no sa nnade na omo de agye adako ja achi training no ho no na ene omo akwa ko jino no matene ncho mo na emu ani ade a me no ka say die me hu power Kotoko training grounds ache and ye hu send ye na power ho no the players na efa physicals ni mu no ye hu ne sa mo enso crop ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko enso training grounds the boss player who say ya say enema enso city crop ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko training grounds after say power emigram na one boys no enso any training
okay and officially what we say no you need physical trainer it's worrying say make cancer but I mean you're fine until currently management said you must share and bono munye na we dey hard drink akra we dey adabraka a hard drink say I mean a hard drink let's say you're professional physical trainer and na ukwa a hard drink
and because share players no in terms of ahoɔden mu sɛ ebi a ɔmo sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ Kotoko team no wɔ sei no sɛnea na power ɛwɔ hɔ no ɔmo hyehyɛ nneɛma no cause Emmanuel Korte ɔmo start ɔmo rehab ne ade no na ɔde ɔmo fa physicals no mu paa a wɔgye ɔmo ho adwuma nti sɛ ɔmo yɛ training na sɛ bi a boys no a start ɔmo yɛ group training no na omo mapia na omo recover kakra na se bia nka Anderson team manu mu ene ade omo ye group training omo betima form kwa akwanchen kakra na o de omo fa physicals ni ade mu but se na di kan hu ye na wodi Emmanuel Korte afam kakra ni ade no players are moving so more every covan kakran also urban ye winisa and you say play and put you planas or recover ayana physicals omudo mufum kakran so be ya nimpom so be dey ebe din but ye winisa o training grounds and also eka ho a Emma boys no performance no and so enkodanim because apomudi no so hu yes yes I was say omodo fa physicals ni mu pa game ni ade nanka players na ho den sem no ekonanim but ye hu ni sa so training grounds and ya ade e ha team ni ye pa.
Okay. Now what about Nkomo Bakwa? What see ye be na ye di hu Nkomo behind the scene story and fan to na mekuta breaking news to be so I said me yana me te ho quick Emma in a tier for with regards to Nana pese or the team no eco locality ni mo no say na no so what ya fa ho
Boss after say Kotoko team no eco Samana boy eco ball mu match ni wiye na omuvura mu ewo Asenkegua Senior High School ko ye training no ohwe say ne school for no egi team no etu mu during training time no Emma Nana Apinkra hu say omo de Kotoko team no eco other communities na omo ye training ne ade a ebetumi aboa ama eba supporting wise na timi ayede akosoro anasa akonanim enti Nana Apinkra ye nhihye bi ni the technical team edim komo say from now ekopim Kotoko ebebo omo next game which is 24th of this month no omo bebo friendly matches bi ewo training session a omo be yenimu enti nkone technical team ni edim komo say be yanka bi school bi mu mpo a na no akwakobo sa matches no ewo ho and ye hu say schools ni bi so prepare towards Milo games near then and other teams so far be breaking near the and you know Nana Apinkra ni the technical team Edema Club Kumasi Asante Kotoko didn't come say from now ekopim 24 fa Kotoko ebebo mo next game our Premier League ni mo no o ma yen hye say o bebo bia two friendly games na say two friendly games na ebia enkoso ewa adakojache but community bi and I say ebia different place bi na ne o makọ so the be ya supporters no so a omunye hu players ni ade no omuso betimi ayede abembe omo na omani age team ne ho na ene Kotoko team na ebo matches a omatimi abewura mu ewo Baba Sports Stadium na omatimi abahwe Kotoko matches ni binti eye nhihye a mpeyimfo de agu na akwam na omo de to yanim se ombedi hu nkomo Endra yes which is Monday Endra Monday no and ombedi saade no hu nkomo and omo koso ahwe se ebetimi mpeyimfo betimi ate ase na omaye sa adwumadi no na aboa na ama Kotoko senior bibia koso adako jaache na yi no ewo kuma asenko an so mni ko bia manso ho baabi ene ade na ebe ma mo emewura mo Baba Sports Stadium no omo so atimi ahu team no ne ade nti mpeyimfo de agu na akwam ne bewura mu ene sa no pay de ebewura mu akopem numere bia na se mpeyimfo meeting na mkoye ekeka asa asem no o ma gya tuma na ya wura mu mo ye de ho update asanso aba.
Okay, mami fa we ma ye na tie for no abra wo kon ye free football agency bi Passway Group Passway is who create bi na FIFA for no YouTube na onya yi na verify dia asan edin ne de anya ogro na Passway Group no in fact Germany bi na main license executive director na Aaron Comet ono so agent na Ogu Jensen omunyina no eye enkofuku a omo na ewe agency we mu na omo de Liberia player bi an chief Nigeria or your attacker that is center forward obo nifa or right footed player echo USMRGS your friend Ernest Emmanuel or 24 years na I'm so quiet na I'm fire and USMRGS for no terminating the contract and that's it so omo de ono so di nkomo pese omo de ni wura santehwe ti mesra mu Kotoko boy no ya ade a mo ma ne mra me mo ma ne metreni na mo hwe mo ma obi a mfa so abo teams no ehurahura am ene wabo SP Rocks no ewo Romania eho anyina ene okobo FC Rapid 1923 eno so anyina ene osakobo Repensia ewo Romania anchepi ena FC Ajax omo second side ehon so amfa ni nyina wo Romania na ofiri ho and or call Finland team your friends have met koi a honso and fat and any or do remu ewa Arabia R or roba a honso wa manche 3 months and terminating the contract and of course side ma Sentinkaya TSK and no Turkey lower side hobby and fat and or side bar back a bar Switzerland FC Aura and no amfa and or kwa Albania KF Tirani and your hokrade and cheppy with the 6 months and no free Tirani or ediba USM Orges or joining Orges for September yaw and chekra and or joining womo nasi come de man in yagro and fat into menka so nimbo nemum oti mano NST bizenko fobi ne ba santia me sham we die adabraka moma na me training na say ya ne afa nkomo Passway football agent mate so mo frefre nti ano so nkomo kakra ye de tu dwana na ba dwana ba free so nti ane ye de we besi mu ha na ye twe ho aba ye ba o so
was more so
we dey kokko
yes send your obubo teams near there wakwa akobo near the ohwe the time a wadi with teams ni mu a enye gidigidi bia nti Kotoko team no any more observation enko so yes omo observing ye pa enye 2 or 3 games bia na say training bi oba be ye na e be convince so we say paying for hwe ye pa na ekọ akire omo a e waso okọ obebo anso so a ne paying for hwe na bibia anso atimi aye kama di boss yeah no se be di akire
ya monitor situations my na
yes
ebe continue ba jo ahome na eno yen celebrate data ho eden na ibedi nkomo yes na esitentia busia na share mu anope ya na yema update about your physical trainer situation at Kumasi Asante Kotoko yema transfer ho gist kakra eno so nchiremu ya sa ba biem na yeba the more gist and of course updates ebe ma live on GH Live Studios Ghana's numero 1